everybody talks about private sector contribution is around 52%. That's what some say. Not in terms of income. Not income. Income, if you compare it by GDP and oil represents 90% or 85 in Saudi Arabia, 85%. But now productivity of the private sector have continued to increase. But unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, it's fortunately for the economy, but unfortunately for the statistics, oil increase the price. So your ratios, whatever you do in private sector, if we compare it with the price of $80 today, we will be around maybe 30%, 70% oil. But if oil tomorrow jumped into 150, then we might go down to 7%. So productivity comes compared, if you look at the numbers, for instance. Today, the total productivity of all industrial and agriculture and other business, total sale of the private sector in their local economy is close to $100 billion. Our non-oil export now reached $60 billion this year, $213. An average increase of between 10-15%. That's if we can measure that. It means that we are 50% locally supplied material for the market and 50% imported. I'm not talking about services. I'm not talking about other activities like banking and others. So what I'm saying here is the private sector in Saudi Arabia is extremely active and expanding in all sectors.